Lotus came out with a new GT410 Sport model that officially replaces the older Evora Sport 410 while also drawing from the GT430 to provide drivers with advanced aerodynamics and a sleeker silhouette. Like Lotus GT430, the GT410 Sport comes with new composite front and rear body panels, and while it doesn't have any of the high downforce elements of its track-focused sibling, it still generates 50% more downforce than its predecessor. Powering the Evora GT410 Sport is a supercharged 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine producing 416 PS, 410 horsepower, and 420 Newton-meters, 309 pounds-to-foot, of torque from 3,500 revolutions per minute. It also has a dry weight of just 1,256 kilograms, 2,769 pounds. The result of this is a 0 to 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, acceleration time of just 3.9 seconds for the automatic version and 4 seconds flat for the manual. We are continually exploring new ideals, innovating and evolving our cars in pursuit of perfection. The new Evora GT410 Sport takes the lessons learned from the development of the GT430 to deliver something outstanding and highly capable, stated Lotus CEO Jean-Marc Gales. The GT410 Sport also has a power-to-weight ratio of 326 horsepower/ton and a top speed of 305 km per hour. 190 miles per hour. Grip comes courtesy of Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, while the ultra-light low side load springs and Bilstein Sport stampers are all fitted as standard.